Hey y'all, I don't mean to bombard y'all with all these lives, but I might as well do it while I'm actually doing my hair because otherwise you won't ever see them. But y'all were talking about the the mist bottles, and I just wanted to like show them to you guys. And I have this kind. This kind has like this is like has product in it, but this is how they spray. So they don't get like much coverage. I'm trying not to waste this product, but they don't get like much coverage when you spray it. And this one is not too bad to hold on to when your hand is slippery. And then you have the spray bottles that are like this. These are horrible when you're trying to like do your hair and your hand gets wet or oily or something like that, because you have to like have a grip here and then try to spray like that. So don't get this kind of bottle that you have to do like this, because when I started out with this kind, and just because that's all I had at home, but when I would have to like spray my hair, sometimes I would have to like hold it on my shoulder and like get it to spray, and it still doesn't give you a lot of coverage. And then you got these kind. I have several different sizes, but this is the one I use for misting my hair. But I'm just going to show you guys like it in action. So all you have to do is like spray a couple times. I guess I shouldn't do it on my hair because you can't see it. But you see how much coverage you get with that? So you get a lot of coverage with this one. It's easy to hold because my hand is like super slippery right now. It has oil and chebe all over it. And you can actually see it on the bottle. But it's easy, and it's like a tap and it'll come out. But this is what the difference is in the spraying. So watch my fingers too. So like spray, spray, spray. And you see how it continues to spray even when you let your hand go? So if you want to get one of these like mister bottles, I would definitely suggest you do it if you are dealing with like the traditional chebe side, because they are amazing. It cuts down on so much time. So yeah, since y'all were wondering about these, I just decided to show you it. That's it. I'm done. I'm not gonna come on live no more today because y'all probably tired of seeing me.